Alright, so sorry about wobbly charger. This video, we're finally going to clean out the chicken coop. It's been storming a lot and it's pretty messy in here. Trying to see if there's any eggs. Nope, those are fake eggs. Supposedly they, I don't know, help the chickens lay or whatever. And look, he's already trying to come at me. So as you can see, the coop is a disaster. Their water's clogged up as always. They still have some food, but yeah, I gotta knock all this out and put new fresh stuff in there for them. And clean out in here in general. No idea how or why, but there's like random pieces of plastic. And yeah, gotta pick that stuff up. Small broom and a dustpan to try and clean this out. And as you can see, they're all freaking out and terrified of the broom for some reason, as if I don't even know what they think, but yeah. So I'm gonna try and make this quick so that they can like chill. All out. I mean, I could technically get into the coop, but I don't particularly want to. So I'm trying to shovel it to this big door and scoop it out. For myself is pretty impossible, especially since I'm trying to film it too. As you can see, a random piece of plastic. I don't know where they're getting this. Nobody's throwing trash back here, so it's kind of weird. Got a decent amount, but I got into the coop to try and get more stuff out because as you can see, it's all like stuck in the corners and stuff. And then I'm gonna get a pair of gloves to get those boxes and make them nice and fresh. Yeah, cool story. Alright, so I got the inside pretty good. Got most of the big chunks out. Just got to do the boxes. So I'm going to go get a pair of gloves so I can clean that out. I cleaned their little steps as well because they had managed to get all the shavings like caked in there. So, and there he is, staring me down. There's supposed to be gloves somewhere in here and I just can't see them. So it's going to take me like 8 hours to figure out where these gloves are so I can finish what I was doing. Fun times. Not in the garage, by the way, but here we go. Time to attack these boxes and get them nice and clean. Alright, so I got most of the stuff out of the egg boxes. I think we should be good in this pen. As you can see, there's like tons of ears of corn. So I totally accidentally hit the slow motion button. So it's just like a creepy, awkward noise and a slow, I don't know, panoramic of the chicken of Rufio. I don't know. I'm not good with cameras apparently or anything. So, but here's a slow shot of my douchey chicken. He's very pretty. But, yeah, fun time. As I was cleaning up, I found this cool feather. Maybe from like a pucha, I guess? I'm not really sure. It's pretty though. Pretty much picked up all the big stuff. There's a lot of dead leaves and feathers all over, but I'm leaving that stuff. But I picked up all trash, and now I have to bright shavings. This is basically what it was supposed to look like. Gives you an idea of just how bad we had to switch this stuff out. Nice, clean egg boxes. I hope that they are happy and pleased with a nice new clean area. Alright, time to tap all the water and the food. Yeah, probably give them some treats. Alright, so fresh water, nice filled food. We're all done in here. Just gotta go over there to the rabbit hutch and put some shavings for Alice. And yeah, then we'll be good. Shavings for Alice in the rabbit hutch. Now I just gotta clean out there and freshen their food and water. Yeah, then don't have to worry about being attacked. There's Alice being beautiful and friendly as always. So yeah, gotta pick up the plastic. Everybody has food. Everything is relatively clean. I got as much as the plastic I could out. Mostly what you guys are kind of seeing is feathers. And of course, as soon as I put the food out, they knock it over, but it is what it is. At least it's like semi-clean. And then on the other side, Greedy Plain Jane trying to take their food. But yep, this video, like, subscribe, comment, talk, sing a song, whatever you like. Peace out. Yes, yes. Nice toy. Is this your llama?